How to change Netflix Kid account to normal account. To change a Netflix Kid account to a normal account, follow these steps. Firstly, open the Netflix app on your device. You can even visit the website netflix.com. Now, on your Netflix app or the website, go to your profile settings. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Manage Your Profiles. And now you will need to edit the kids profile. You will see a pencil or edit icon on the kids profile. Tap on the pencil or edit icon. To disable kids mode, uncheck the kids profile option. After unchecking your kids profile option, you will be able to disable kids mode. However, you can even adjust maturity settings if needed. At last, tap on Save to apply the changes. And now the profile will no longer have the kids restrictions. Here are also points given on what to do if you cannot change it. Ensure that you are using the primary account. Also, check for the parental controls. And lastly, try updating the Netflix app. That's all for today. Thank you.